Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your video using CapCut. So I'm using CapCut for PC, and you can download CapCut PC apps on the Microsoft Store. So after you download it, after you install it, you can open it and you can log into your account and select new project. So after you uh, after you see interface like this, so you can import your videos, your photos, or your audios that you want to edit. Just click import in the media. So just click import and then select the clips that you want to edit. So after imported, so you can drag to the track. For example, just drag to the track, and here you can also change for the aspect ratio to original, and then you can split the clip, you can delete the clip, you can freeze, reverse, you can mirror the clip, you can rotate, and you can crop the clip, and you can add the audio, you can add tags, you can add sticker, effect, transition, and etc. So you can add animation and anything here, and anything here that you want to add to your clip. So after you finish editing the video, you are just going to click the export button in the top right corner, and you can change for the title of your project, and then you can check the video exporting and then click export. So that's how you can edit your video using CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.